Oh. There you go. Yes, his Amazon package came in. Mine. Okay, so I don't know why I'm doing this. I've never done this before. But so I got LED lights, which I'm very excited to put up. They're gonna go up and along my wall. I might set them up tonight, honestly. They're so cool. So excited. I got a phone case, just a clear one, because I don't really have a good one on right now. And I got this amazing tripod. Shut up. Mister. Okay, but I got this tripod and it like, you can put a phone on it and you could like connect a mic and stuff. Like they have a Shut up. Oh my gosh, there's a dog outside right now. But you can also put a camera on it. It's really cool. And then I also got some blue light glasses, which I hope look good. I'm gonna open these ones right away because you can't see them. It says that on the bottom. And this little pouch. And then you pull out this other bag. Let's see. How do you what? Look at how beautiful. Do I look smart? I think I look very smart. Ow. Einstein Charlie? I think so. I like these a lot. They look really cool. We're gonna up this tripod. I have been, oh gosh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so amazing. Okay, so these bend like this, like they bend all around. It's gonna be so handy for like outdoors. How does it, oh, there we go. Hold on a minute, no. Is this how you hold the phone? Oh no, it is. Wait, no it's not. Oh, that's how you do it. I got it. Okay, we're gonna put it on here. And then also you can put a camera on. And like tighten this. There's also a mount on the side here. If you want to put another thing on, like a microphone. Okay, we're gonna put this on real quick and see how it works. It fits in there beautifully. Okay, let's see. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay. Now we're gonna open my LED lights. I've been wanting to get these ever since they became popular, like, I don't even know how many months ago. Oh my stinking gosh. Okay. So I got ones, I think I got, I don't even know, I might have got the ones that also you can connect your phone with them. Oh, look at the remote. It's pretty big. Look at it. They're so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna plug them in. We're gonna plug them in real quick to see if they work. Come along with the journey. Okay. Okay. Now we need to grab the remote. Oh! Look at them. They light up. Wait, I'm gonna grab the remote. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty they are. There's so many different colors to choose from. I'm obsessed. They're so pretty. Okay, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about everything. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I put mine. So at the corners, first we're gonna start at the corners. So I just smush it and lay it on top of each other, if that makes sense. And then for this, I pull the sticky part off, or the paper part, and I grab it, I pull it all the way up, stick it on the ceiling over here, push it down really hard up here, and then you're just gonna push down in between each light to make sure it's really secure and on there. And then you do that again. Pull it off, hold it up, and push it between the lights. I like to go like from the end that I was just on, so then there doesn't get any lumps or bubbles. But yeah. Okay. That is how I did them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I highly recommend getting LED lights. They look so amazing. It doesn't show up that well on camera, but it's literally so pretty. What the heck? Okay, thanks for watching. Good night.